Today, I will be walking you through how to turn your Google Sheets into a live web app. We will do this in under 10 minutes for free by just prompting. So what you'll need to get started is a Google Sheet. I have one here that has the names, company type, email, and other information for my leads and customers. As you see, it can be messy. Don't worry about that. The AI will take care of it. I forgot to mention, you can also upload Excel files, even ones including macros, and you can upload multiple files, and the AI will merge and bring them together. Now back to the video. Now we will go to Love Spreadsheets. First, we want to select what to build. We are going for a CRM, but you can also select dashboards, project trackers, forms, calculators. And if you're not sure, leave it with the default setting of website. Here, I will upload this Google Sheet. And now I write my prompt telling the AI what I want. I'm asking to build a CRM that has an embedded chatbot that I can use to enter leads. I also want an automated email to send every 9 a.m. Eastern to my team. Their emails are in the team tab. That's it. But before I click send, let me walk you through some of the other features. Here, we can pick how fast we want our app build. I'm going for full mode because I'm asking for a chatbot and an automated email. If you want something simple, like a form or a quick website, go for quick mode. These are image design files, such as your company's logo, other websites that you like, or any reference material. Today, I just want something simple, so I will not be uploading anything there. Finally, we have AI Optimize. Clicking this will make my prompt much better. So you don't have to worry about getting everything perfect. You can do this and then edit. And here we see that it has provided me a much more detailed prompt. Perfect. Now I will click send and we'll wait for a little bit. So after about 30 seconds, it has come back with these questions. Which fields should be required when adding or editing a lead? Name and email is the most important. Status values that I want. I'm gonna keep this simple. Nothing so far. I'm gonna preserve all the existing rows. Yes, we actually need to focus on the leads that are most important to follow up with. I'll go clean and professional. Now the agent will generate some designs. Here we have 3. This is not using any real data. This is sample and dummy data only. This is so you can pick what kind of visual look your application should have. I'm gonna go with number 2. And now the main agent gets to work. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. In that time, you can play our built-in Pong, which I just love to do. And wow, I can't believe I won. You can hang out and have a mini dance party with your coworkers, do some sit-ups, some jumping jacks, and my personal favorite, have a nice little drink to relax. Voila, your app is ready. This is always live at this URL. And that's the best part about this. You can share information from your Google Sheet into a live working website. As we see here, we have overview, leads, and the AI assistant that we requested to save our information. Now, if you want changes, you have 2 options. You can simply ask the chatbot for changes. Here, you can even upload a new Excel file, new images, new Google Sheets. But let's say you need help on a complex topic, like you have to integrate some internal system with this Google Sheet and the app that you just built. For that, we offer 24/7 live help from a US-based engineer. To get that, simply click live help here, describe what you need, and get meeting link. This leads you into your Google Meet where you can ask to join and an engineer will be with you shortly.
Good afternoon. Can I help you today?
Hey Joe, this is just Addy. I'm doing a demo.
Oh, what's up, Ads? How are you?
Yeah, I'll see you soon in our stand-up.
Cool, sounds good.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now, let's walk through some of the other features that will help you take your app into a tool you can truly trust and use. Let's start with the Files tab. This will show you the HTML file that contains your application. So if you want to use this app with other services, you can download it here and use it. We do not ever want to lock down your data and your information. Then you will see the spreadsheets that you have attached to this application. And finally, uploaded files from your website. These would be files, for example, if you have a form for hiring and people are uploading their resume, that will appear here. Moving on to automations. Any automation and integration will be listed here. You set up automations and integrations by talking to the chatbot, but you can manage them on this list. Right now, we have our daily email at 9 a.m. to all team members. And finally, the most important one, password protecting this website. If you don't want anyone else to be able to access your website that you just created, you will need to password protect it. We store these passwords in an encrypted, safe location. So if you do need to password protect your website, please use this feature and not simply asking the chat to set up username and passwords, for example, from something in your Google Sheet. That is an insecure way. This is the secure way. This will make the website private behind a username and login. Your username and login, the one that you created the Love Spreadsheets account with, will work, as will any team members that you might have invited to your workspace here. Right now, I don't have any in this account, and any users that you add in this box after the website becomes private. This way, you, your team, and depending on the app, anyone else, for example, your vendors, your customers, your partners, can have access to only that specific app with their specific username and password. Now, for the final features for your application, we have connect your own domain. Self-explanatory. You can connect your own admin.companyname.com or anything else. This does require that you own the domain first before you do this, because you will need to put some information in your domain manager after you connect. Then we have account website. Account website is your control panel. We'll be doing a much more deeper dive into this feature, but using this, you can add your applications to your overall account website control panel. And then finally, MCP. You can copy this link and chat with your spreadsheet in your Claude, Cursor, or other AI agent applications. That completes our tour of Love Spreadsheets. Please comment on what you are thinking of building with your Google Sheets. Check out the Love Spreadsheets website to get started for free. Hope you have a fun time. Thank you.